Welcome to my channel. Hi ladies. Sparkling hard if your hair's been through bleach, color, or too many styling tools, you're going to love this. The K18 leave-in molecular hair mask isn't just another conditioner, it actually works on a molecular level to repair years of damage in just 4 minutes. Let's see how this little miracle can bring your hair back to life. Let's get started. K18 leave-in molecular hair mask. K18 leave-in molecular hair mask. Reverse years of hair damage in just 4 minutes. If your hair has been through bleaching, coloring, chemical treatments, or heat styling, you know how quickly it can lose its strength, shine, and softness. The K18 leave-in molecular hair mask is not just another conditioner or temporary fix. It's a scientifically advanced treatment that works on the molecular level to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes. Unlike traditional hair masks that only coat the surface, K18's breakthrough K18 peptide technology repairs hair from the inside out, targeting and reconnecting broken keratin chains across multiple types of bonds. This means it doesn't just make your hair look healthier, it actually restores it to its natural, youthful state, leaving it stronger, smoother, softer, and bouncier than ever before. Why it works? Daily styling, coloring, and environmental stressors break down the internal structure of your hair, leading to dryness, frizz, and brittleness. K18's unique bioactive peptide is designed to penetrate deep into the hair's cortex, where it repairs and rebinds keratin chains that give hair its strength and elasticity. This molecular-level repair works across all hair types and is clinically proven to deliver both instant and lasting results. With every use, you'll notice stronger hair that's less prone to breakage, silky softness without weighing hair down, smoothness that tames frizz and flyaways, bounce and movement that lasts for days, benefits at a glance, repairs hair damage from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat styling, works across multiple types of hair bonds for complete restoration, suitable for all hair types and textures, provides long-lasting strength, softness, and manageability. Lightweight leave-in formula, no rinsing required. How to use for best results. Shampoo your hair. For best penetration, skip the conditioner. Towel dry thoroughly. Excess water can dilute the treatment. Apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 leave-in molecular hair mask, depending on your hair length and thickness. Massage evenly through hair from roots to ends. Let it sit for 4 minutes to allow the peptide to work its magic. Style as usual, no rinsing needed. For heavily damaged hair, use for the first 4 to 6 washes in a row, then maintain results by using every 3 to 4 washes. The K18 difference. While other masks rely on temporary hydration, K18 offers permanent repair until the hair is damaged again. The lightweight, leave-in formula ensures your hair remains soft and smooth without greasy residue. Plus, it's color-safe, cruelty-free, and free from sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors. Whether your hair has been through years of chemical processing or you simply want to protect and maintain healthy locks, the K18 leave-in molecular hair mask is your go-to, scientifically backed solution for restoring true hair health from the inside out. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.